What about making your sound better?
Drop a sampler and find a random hi-hat sound, drop it into the sampler. This is the sound what we're going to use now. Tweak the starting and the ending position to find a very short section of the sound what we're going to loop. So click on loop, set the loop start and make some crossfade on the sound to make it loop smoothly. Now this obviously is not a bass sound, so go to the pitch per oscillator tab and pull back the transposition to -25. Drop a tuner, because we really need to tune our sound into key. So the goal is to take this red circle into the empty circle by tweaking the root key and the detune slider. I use an F note on my keyboard, so if I push F, my bass sound plays an F2, so this was the goal. We need some filtering to make the sound a little pluckier kind of bass sound, so we don't need the key tracking, pull back the cutoff and push up the amounts on the filter envelope and tweak the decay to your own taste. Okay, let's add the shaper. With this rectangle, you can decide if you want to shape your sound before filtering or after filtering. I decided to shape it after filtering, so push up the envelope to 74. If you want more aggressive sound, click on harder and push back the amounts a little. Now drop an EQ8 and add back a little on the highs, add a little bass and pull back the middle basses and the middle frequencies. Now the cool thing in this technique is if you go back to the sample tab, if you find another position, you can create a very different sound. Or you can use another hi-hat sound like hi-hat 2, but don't forget to tweak the transposition. Very cool sound.